Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set margins in Google Docs. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To set margins in Google Docs, go to Google Docs and open the document and click on File tab on upper left corner. Now scroll down. Here you will find page setup. Click on page setup. From here you can set margin as you wish. All margins are set 1 inch. I am going to set is 1.5 in top, bottom also 1.5, left also 1.5 and right 1 also. Now click on OK. Look, the margin has been set in Google Docs. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.